In this video, we'll explore the strip theme, one of the hot themes on JSN ImageShow. On the admin site, go to JSN ImageShow Showcase via the component menu item. In the Showcase Manager page, you can create a new showcase or edit an older showcase. Go to the Theme tab to install a new theme. Click on the strip theme to download and install it. All the theme settings for the strip theme will be shown. Let's start with the container panel, which allows you to set the configuration related to the container. Set the container design with three options: None, Elasticide, Default, or Custom. If you select Custom Type, you need to select a background color. Border stroke, round corner, and border color. With Elasticide Default Type, this is a fixed container style. Use Side Fade to set the fade style of the two image gallery sides. There are three options: None, White, and Black. The next panel is Thumbnail. Use it to set the configuration related to image thumbnails. Image Source displays images with original images or thumbnails. Orientation to set moving direction of images with two options: horizontal or vertical. Dimension defines the width and the height in pixels of each thumbnail. And space to set the space between each image in pixels. Border thickness allows you to set the thickness of the image border also in pixels. And the rounded corner adjusts the rounded level of the image in pixels. Click Select Color to pick desired color or set the color code manually for border color. Shadow. Set the shadow for each image. It can be no shadow, light shadow, or bold shadow. Click Action. Set the action after clicking an image. It can be no action, show original image, or open image link. In open image link mode, when the user clicks on an image, its link will be opened in the browser. And next is the Caption panel to set the title, description, and link of the showcase. Show Caption defines whether the original image will show a caption or not. Use background color to set the background color of the caption area. And panel opacity to set the opacity in percent of the caption background. Here you can also define to show or hide the title, description, and custom CSS for them. Finally is the Slideshow panel. Slideshow allows you to set the gallery behavior when it plays the slideshow. Autoplay to set the slideshow to play automatically or not. Delay time allows you to specify the time interval between autoslide steps. Use slide timing to set the length of time for transitions between images when the gallery is autoplaying. Don't forget to click the Save button after finishing your settings. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with JSN ImageShow.